Oh, he goes, oh yeah, it doesn't work!
Long time no see, eh? Hopefully you guys don't hear my music through my headset or my helmet, but I've been wanting to get back out on the bike and make another video. Had the time. Today we're actually going to a friend's house. He just picked up an RSX dirt cheap. I shouldn't say dirt cheap, but it needed work to be put back together, and that's kind of what I'm trying to get into right now, and what I'm talking about here is what I want to do with the future, or in my future videos on a vehicle. Oh, who is calling me? Who the fuck are these people? Tony, Brad, Carla? Who the fuck are these people? Who the fuck? I don't know who they were. That being said, I kind of want to keep it a secret right now until I get it. I'm actually really excited for it, and it's something I've wanted to do for many years. And I'm actually going to go through with it this time, as long as I get the car, which I have a feeling shouldn't be an issue. And then we're just going to chill. We're going to head to my buddy's house, see what all they got left on that RSX. I wonder if it's a Type S. I didn't even ask him. I'm not sure if it is or not. Ooh, hello, new Supra. Hello, move, Nissan. Hello, Supra. Yeah, so basically, my buddy just picked up this RSX, and from what I understand, I don't know if the internals of it were built, but I know it had like a supercharger on it and all this other shit, and the guy that he bought it from, they actually know each other, they're friends from what I understand. He reverted most of it all back to stock. Pretty much, I think all of it back to stock, actually. And I think all he had to do was something with the brakes and some other minor shit here and there, so we're about to go find out once we get there. Oh god, the fucking Tyson chicken plant, bro. Why would you sit that in the middle of town? It smells like complete shit. Dude, I remember there was one night actually, my cousin was in town and I took him out to the local bar here. And we got into the fucking the parking lot. We literally smelled the chicken plant that was here in the center of town all the way over at the bar, which is probably like 3 miles away from here. Maybe 2. I don't know. Anybody want a mystery machine? The green machine. Dude, I've never seen them move that thing, ever. I don't think I have ever moved it since I finished it, I bet. Alright, but not mistaken, it's like right here. Oh, fuck, yeah, it is. Oh. Hey! Nah, dude.
I don't know if that's actually hitting me. And for the people that want to know who are actually in the stream, if you tune into the stream, you don't really see this guy, and you're not going to see him either way. He's blurred.
Yeah.
Why is he blurred?
Gang bitch.
What's your name?
West Coast affiliate of Republic of America. That's my name.
Okay.
I just have a message.
Alabama or Tennessee, right? So this is Ocampius. He's the one that bought the car. And this is LBC Fat Sung Sant, the real Slim Shady.
He's the retarded one.
Cyborg. Cyborg.
I changed it to Louis the Child now too.
Okay, now he's
so
Louis
we got
the
like
Child.
5 different names.
This dude's got an identity crisis. It's okay.
No, I have what's that dude from that movie?
Split.
Split.
Yeah,
I'm a split motherfucker in real life.
Hey, look, it came to the garage too. Yeah, that's what he was saying. Imagine an opening. But there's Jacob, I'm here for the Honda. So this is a 2005 RSX Type S, one owner, 140,000 miles, and I got it for cheap because we had to put it back together. It was like a puzzle, it's like a DIY project, you know. It's like some assembly required, except this is like a lot of assembly. And then my finger almost got broken off. So yeah, like right here. But that's the normal story.
Part of the deal also was that he was gonna touch the man's glizzy.
That's why they call him the Glizzy Gladiator.
What do you want to be called?
The Blur.
The Blur. Alright, he's the Blur.
I'm the Blur.
I gotta figure out a way to put a sound thing over your voice too. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Oh, I don't care about the voice.
Okay, we'll just be the Blur.
Record my phone.
Alright, here it goes. We got the Blur in the driver's seat.
Oh, he goes. Oh yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Stop. Big fuel everywhere.
Gas went everywhere.
It feels like the Forerunner.
It's not on.
It's supposed to go more?
Yeah, hold on.
Damn, you smell that? That's like 3 gallons because it's put on 90. That's not 93. That's that
No,
corn.
it's because this clip is supposed to be back further.
Oh yeah, they didn't put it. Right.
The clip wasn't on all the way.
Are you guys certified?
Who fit?
You guys master tech?
See, it was right here. It needs to be over.
Yeah, over that little lip.
We want to just open the.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Take the fuel line.
Things will never be the same.
There we go.
No, real?
That looks better, yeah.
Hey.
That still don't seem right, but try that. Prime it first.
No. Let him. I told him he could do the first start. Dude, it literally is like the Forerunner. Except the Forerunner drove around like that, leaking fucking gas onto my exhaust.
Not that much though, right?
Dude, it was bad. We drove to Alfredo to pick up Ulysses, and it was literally like just smoking because the gas was hitting the exhaust.
I really hope I caught that on the video. I'm not sure where I was pointing it.
I just started yelling. I was like, ah! I was like, stop, because that was literally our fear. Phone.
I heard everybody yell at the same time. I was like, what the fuck? I was watching that
Dang it,
video,
bro. Look, you got my messed up my paint.
I'm just looking at this little screen so I can't see shit.
I was watching the video of that guy getting tased. And I was like, ah!
Hopefully she don't be squirting. Come on, baby girl, start.
Put it in first and drop it.
Shut up, bro. I know you will.
Into all the parts in the driveway.
Into my toes. Hey, it started.
Crank it.
Is it
It's
green?
not the right key.
Remember, he's got the.
Is it green?
It's just gonna crank if it's not the right key or if the key's not programmed.
The guy had K-Pro on it, and he wanted $700 for it, and he wasn't giving it to me, but I have to go buy it from him now. It's a different accessory because it's expensive. But we got to go and get the key program now with the immobilizer, married to the ECU. Luckily, we have an inside at Honda Tech, so we're about to do some sneaky stuff.
Fuck.
Oh, hell.
Well, hey, it doesn't leak fuel now.
Yeah, at least it's got that going for
I
it.
said, I looked at it, I was like, that's too fucking loose. It shouldn't be like that.
They're gonna go potentially.
This has got a new belt.
And probably a burnt up pump now. That's another thing he needs too.
I hate my wiener on
God damn it.
So he needs the high pressure lines, which is specific to the Type S for the, what is this, the 05? This is an 05?
Yeah, it's an 05.
Yeah, so the 05, he can find all the other ones all day for like 30 bucks brand new, but for the Type S he needs $100. Fuck that shit, we'll find it somewhere else.
$100 or a good PP touch.
A real good glizzy touch. Alright, well, now we're gonna figure out how we're gonna program this key. We can do it. We can program this key, but we don't have all that shit's at work.
So yeah, he bought that RSX for $3,500. It was just going to be $3,000. The guy was going to revert everything to stock, you know, the full body coilovers, camber adjusters, all that good shit. The axles, I can't remember what axles he said were in it, but basically the car was supercharged and made an ass load of power. And we went to get it started. And at first, as you saw, the fucking fuel was spewing everywhere, but that wasn't the issue. I figured out why and fixed that. But I need to get the key programmed, so we gotta figure out a way to get the car up to my work so I can actually program the key for him. Which, that's not hard at all. That literally takes me a couple minutes. But getting it there, that's gonna be the tricky part. So I think they're going to try to talk to the guy that he bought it from to put the K-Tuner or K-Pro back into it to actually get it started. And then that way they can at least get it to my shop. I can fix it or get the key program and everything, and then we'll take the K-Tuner out and give it back to the guy. So I think he wanted like $500 or $700 for that tuner. But yeah, so hopefully that should be all that we got to do left and shit. Oh, and he needs the power steering lines as well. I guess the guy before had he rigged up an electric power steering system to it, so he put the stock rack and pinion back in it. So that means now, I guess he didn't have the lines, so I don't know what happened to him, or maybe he has them laying around somewhere. I don't really know. Man, my fucking straps on my backpack are slapping the shit out of me right now. But hey, thank you all so much for watching. If you made it this far and you've not yet done this, hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to see the project that I have coming up in the future. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, check us out on Twitch. I go live, every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's another way to, you pop in there if you have any questions, things like that, things you might like to see. But thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.